This is Romulus and Remus. They're two dire wolves who were born in October of 2024. Out of the 5 billion species that have ever existed on the planet Earth, 99.9% of them have gone extinct. But what if you could bring just one back? The company that is involved in this de-extinction effort is called Colossal. Colossal uses a technique called CRISPR, and CRISPR is basically a mechanism by which you can remove a small portion of a gene and replace it with a small portion of another gene. So did they actually create a direwolf? It's certainly true that they did not take all the DNA from an extinct direwolf, throw sauce on it, and bring the direwolf back to life. What they did was they targeted a handful of genes that make direwolves direwolfy. Direwolves had white, fluffy fur. Direwolves had larger heads. Direwolves were bigger, although not as big as you think they are if you watch Game of Thrones. They did gene substitutions sufficient to create something a lot like a phenotype of a direwolf. A phenotype is the physical demonstration of what a gene is doing. In other words, the genes are the genotype and what they make is the phenotype. Did I see a direwolf, or did I just see an amazing, shockingly white, slightly larger wolf with a slightly squarer head? And how do you know?